this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets, okay? It is currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, so literally in 30 minutes, the session of New York Stock Exchange will open, right? And essentially, that's when there will be the most volume, and that's when I will be trading, okay? If you have checked the markets, if you're watching this at this current time, the market has been just ripping to the downside, okay? Very, very bearish price action, okay? A lot of volume as well. But it's currently Friday. Let's see what kind of pricing we'll have. Essentially, if you don't know who am I, my name is Edward Cash. I've been trading for over 4 years, but obviously in the beginning I wasn't serious. I was losing for 2 years, didn't get the right guidance. Now I've been profitable for 2 years. And now I'm recording these videos to help the struggling traders who need the help, okay? Because there's a lot of, BS in the industry. So let me just fix it, okay? Regardless, enough talking, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm in shorts right now on NQ, shorty markets, looking for the price to go down, following this massive downtrend. So I got fill around here. Let's put the stop loss right there. And obviously, naturally, where do we target? We target liquidity areas because those could potentially switch the whole price direction. All right, fuck it. I closed the position. Boom, boom, boom. Y'all saw that? Amazing ass trade. I could have targeted lower, but at the end of the day, I don't really need to, okay? Because it's Friday, and these markets has been, the pre-market was the session itself was very weird, okay, until we got that volume, okay? This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see this consistent movement to one direction. We cannot see all over the place movement. We want to see direction, consistency, okay? And then we got that. Let's do the trade recap, okay? So essentially, the market open, right? Market open today, normally 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, okay? First thought, trash, okay? Look at this, it just moves choppily, nothing crazy is happening. And obviously the beginning was pretty promising, but then we took some mini lows. I think we took like 50, not even 50, I think we took 5 minute. No, actually we actually broke structure below that, so exactly proves my point. Very mid price action in the beginning of the session, and overall the bias very bearish, okay? Even the monthly is bearish, everything's bearish. However, obviously in the session I could potentially buy if we manage to take some sort of big liquidity below and then start to trend up. That's a different scenario, but right now we didn't have that, which is continue down, and obviously then we start to gain some volume in the markets. We start to create the legendary trend to the downside, okay? Low lows, low highs, and freaking low lows, low highs, low lows, okay? This is exactly what we want to see as traders. We don't want to see this kind of crap. We want to see this amazing trend, and today was amazing amounts of volume, okay, in the markets. If you look right here on the right, obviously the stock indices are very down, and dollar is actually up. Makes sense, right? But stocks are very down. Everybody's so concerned. This is most likely just a higher time frame freaking retracement, aka it will continue up later, obviously, like it always does, okay? But as day traders, we don't care is it going up or down. We make money both ways. But regardless, we start to create the low lows, low highs, low lows. As you can see, we literally tap into this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, which is amazing. I like to always mark out these areas because I want to see will it react, and if it reacts, that means the trend is still getting respected, the downtrend is getting respected. So that means, okay, cool, let's go down, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. I need to see one more 1 minute break or structure after that, because we just continue to respect the downtrend. So obviously we need to look for sells. There was like a 30-minute low getting swept, but all it did was just to cause the price to retrace to this. As you can see, if you go to the 30-minute time frame, there was this 30-minute low that already got breaking below. That was the 30-minute low. And then after that, it was here. Yeah, it was here, and then all it did was tap into the fair value gap and then react with that, okay? So, and we didn't even get the confirmation to buy because we need 2 break shocks to the upside. So that's why, this is amazing. We need to see confirmation, and we respect the fair value gap, we respect the downtrend. All I needed from there was 1 break shocks to the downside. Yeah, I didn't enter right there. I entered off of the order block. I got entered actually here, about here, roughly. And then boom, we actually target lower, but I took it out from here because we know the market conditions and the Friday price action. So I wanted to end up like a 1-to-2 reshort ratio, and I moved the stops to break even right here, which isn't anything crazy because it's all the way down here. But yeah, amazing trade. I know I could have targeted lower as I originally targeted, but I don't need to, right? I made like 900 something like that. I'll put the P&L right here. But yeah, regardless, I'm gonna take that for sure. By the way, overall, like 2 trades taking this whole week, 2-0. But this week was very, if you are a trader or if you check the markets, you know that shit, these markets are doing some weird shit. But actually not bad. Everybody's blaming them. Everybody's blaming Trump. Everybody's blaming the markets, but no one is blaming themselves. You motherfuckers, like, no offense, but if you take a trade and you lose it, it's your fault. It's not Trump's fault. It's not the market's fault. You fucking took the trade, so it's your fault, okay? Someone has to say this, right? So don't take, it's tough love, right? Tough love. And that's what you need if you want to grow. Yo, man, what an amazing way to end the week. Okay, it's currently Friday and it's, you know, it's early. It's pretty early, okay? And I can just do whatever I want, okay? I already went to the gym, but, you know, now my day is finished. I can do what I feel like to do. But regardless, do you notice some difference with these videos? If you have been to my channel before, I got a new camera, man, and I bought it yesterday. I bought some new equipment, but trading, I just made 900, almost made the investment back, and regardless, man, trading is amazing. But also, a lot of people has been asking me what broker do I use, this and that. I normally don't give broker advice, and I don't kind of like to give it, but regardless, if you saw it from the P&L, I recently switched a broker because I want to get crypto payments. Don't ask me why, but I want to get crypto payments, so I switched to a new broker. If you want to see what broker it is, it should be in the link in the description. All right, but regardless, man, join the free Telegram as usual. I will see you on the other side. Peace out.